Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dengan berbagai situasi. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris kamu akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
How much profit did you make last month? How much profit did you make last month?
Berapa banyak keuntungan yang kamu dapatkan bulan lalu?
We made a profit of $5,000 last month. We made a profit of $5,000 last month.
Kami mendapatkan keuntungan sebesar $5.000 bulan lalu.
That's great. What helped increase the profit? That's great. What helped increase the profit?
Bagus sekali. Apa yang membantu meningkatkan keuntungan?
Our sales went up due to the new product launch. Our sales went up due to the new product launch.
Penjualan kami meningkat berkat peluncuran produk baru.
Do you expect the profit to go higher this quarter? Do you expect the profit to go higher this quarter?
Apakah kamu berharap keuntungan akan naik pada kuartal ini?
Yes, we're targeting a 15% increase in profit. Yes, we're targeting a 15% increase in profit.
Ya, kami menargetkan kenaikan keuntungan sebesar 15%.
How does the company use its profit? How does the company use its profit?
Bagaimana perusahaan menggunakan keuntungannya?
We reinvest most of the profit into expanding the business. We reinvest most of the profit into expanding the business.
Kami menginvestasikan kembali sebagian besar keuntungan untuk memperluas bisnis.
It sounds like you're making smart decisions with the profit. It sounds like you're making smart decisions with the profit.
Sepertinya kamu membuat keputusan yang cerdas dengan keuntungan tersebut.
We try our best to ensure the profit benefits the company long term. We try our best to ensure the profit benefits the company long term.
Kami berusaha sebaik mungkin untuk memastikan keuntungan tersebut bermanfaat untuk perusahaan dalam jangka panjang.
What are the fundamental skills for success? What are the fundamental skills for success?
Apa saja keterampilan dasar untuk sukses?
Hard work and patience are very important. Hard work and patience are very important.
Kerja keras dan kesabaran sangatlah penting.
Do you think education is also necessary? Do you think education is also necessary?
Apakah menurut kamu pendidikan juga diperlukan?
Yes, it gives knowledge and better opportunities. Yes, it gives knowledge and better opportunities.
Ya, itu memberikan pengetahuan dan peluang yang lebih baik.
But experience is also very valuable, right? But experience is also very valuable, right?
Tapi pengalaman juga sangat berharga, bukan?
Yes, both education and experience are needed. Yes, both education and experience are needed.
Ya, pendidikan dan pengalaman keduanya dibutuhkan.
How can I improve my fundamental skills? How can I improve my fundamental skills?
Bagaimana saya bisa meningkatkan keterampilan dasar saya?
Practice every day and never stop learning. Practice every day and never stop learning.
Berlatihlah setiap hari dan jangan pernah berhenti belajar.
That makes sense. I will work harder. That makes sense. I will work harder.
Itu masuk akal, saya akan bekerja lebih keras.
Great. Success comes from strong fundamentals. Great. Success comes from strong fundamentals.
Bagus, kesuksesan datang dari dasar yang kuat.
This hotel has a really nice view. This hotel has a really nice view.
Hotel ini memiliki pemandangan yang sangat indah.
Yes, you can see the ocean clearly. Yes, you can see the ocean clearly.
Ya, kamu bisa melihat laut dengan jelas.
I love watching the sunset from here. I love watching the sunset from here.
Saya suka melihat matahari terbenam dari sini.
The colors in the sky are beautiful. The colors in the sky are beautiful.
Warna-warna di langit sangat indah.
Do you prefer mountain or ocean views? Do you prefer mountain or ocean views?
Kamu lebih suka pemandangan gunung atau laut?
I like both, but mountains feel peaceful. I like both, but mountains feel peaceful.
Saya suka keduanya, tapi gunung terasa damai.
That's true. Fresh air is very relaxing. That's true. Fresh air is very relaxing.
Itu benar, udara segar sangat menenangkan.
Yes, nature always gives me positive energy. Yes, nature always gives me positive energy.
Ya, alam selalu memberi saya energi positif.
Let's take some pictures of this view. Let's take some pictures of this view.
Ayo kita ambil beberapa foto pemandangan ini.
Great idea, it will be a nice memory. Great idea, it will be a nice memory.
Ide bagus, ini akan menjadi kenangan yang indah.
Do you know how to operate this machine? Do you know how to operate this machine?
Apakah kamu tahu bagaimana cara mengoperasikan mesin ini?
Yes, it's pretty simple once you understand it. Yes, it's pretty simple once you understand it.
Ya, itu cukup sederhana setelah kamu memahaminya.
That's good. Can you show me how to do it? That's good. Can you show me how to do it?
Itu bagus. Bisakah kamu menunjukkan cara melakukannya?
Sure, first you need to turn on the switch. Sure, first you need to turn on the switch.
Tentu, pertama kamu perlu menyalakan saklarnya.
How long does it take to operate this machine? How long does it take to operate this machine?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk mengoperasikan mesin ini?
It only takes a few minutes once you're familiar. It only takes a few minutes once you're familiar.
Itu hanya membutuhkan beberapa menit setelah kamu terbiasa.
Do you operate this machine every day? Do you operate this machine every day?
Apakah kamu mengoperasikan mesin ini setiap hari?
Yes, I use it for work almost every day. Yes, I use it for work almost every day.
Ya, saya menggunakannya untuk pekerjaan hampir setiap hari.
I think I'll need more practice to operate it well. I think I'll need more practice to operate it well.
Saya rasa saya perlu lebih banyak latihan untuk mengoperasikannya dengan baik.
Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly.
Jangan khawatir, kamu akan cepat terbiasa.
What is the base of this structure? What is the base of this structure?
Apa dasar dari struktur ini?
It is built on strong concrete foundations. It is built on strong concrete foundations.
Itu dibangun di atas fondasi beton yang kuat.
That makes it very stable and strong. That makes it very stable and strong.
Itu membuatnya sangat stabil dan kuat.
Yes, a strong base is really important. Yes, a strong base is really important.
Ya, dasar yang kuat memang sangat penting.
Does every building need a strong base? Does every building need a strong base?
Apakah setiap bangunan membutuhkan dasar yang kuat?
Yes, or it might collapse easily. Yes, or it might collapse easily.
Ya, atau itu bisa runtuh dengan mudah.
I see, so planning is very important. I see, so planning is very important.
Saya mengerti. Jadi perencanaan itu sangat penting.
Exactly. Good planning makes everything safer. Exactly. Good planning makes everything safer.
Tepat sekali, perencanaan yang baik membuat segalanya lebih aman.
Thanks, I learned something new today. Thanks, I learned something new today.
Terima kasih, saya belajar sesuatu yang baru hari ini.
You're welcome. Learning never stops. You're welcome. Learning never stops.
Sama-sama, belajar itu tidak pernah berhenti.
Who will undertake this project? Who will undertake this project?
Siapa yang akan mengerjakan proyek ini?
I will undertake it, and I've already planned it. I will undertake it, and I've already planned it.
Saya yang akan mengerjakannya dan saya sudah merencanakannya.
That's great. What's the first step? That's great. What's the first step?
Itu bagus. Apa langkah pertamanya?
The first step is to gather all necessary materials. The first step is to gather all necessary materials.
Langkah pertama adalah mengumpulkan semua bahan yang diperlukan.
How long do you expect it will take to undertake? How long do you expect it will take to undertake?
Berapa lama kamu memperkirakan waktu untuk mengerjakannya?
I think it will take about 2 weeks. I think it will take about 2 weeks.
Saya pikir itu akan memakan waktu sekitar 2 minggu.
Do you feel ready to undertake this task? Do you feel ready to undertake this task?
Apakah kamu merasa siap untuk mengerjakan tugas ini?
Yes, I've prepared well for it. Yes, I've prepared well for it.
Ya, saya sudah mempersiapkannya dengan baik.
I believe you can successfully undertake it. I believe you can successfully undertake it.
Saya yakin kamu bisa mengerjakannya dengan sukses.
Thank you. I'll do my best to finish it well. Thank you. I'll do my best to finish it well.
Terima kasih, saya akan melakukan yang terbaik untuk menyelesaikannya dengan baik.
What is your intent for this trip? What is your intent for this trip?
Apa tujuan kamu untuk perjalanan ini?
I want to relax and enjoy nature. I want to relax and enjoy nature.
Saya ingin bersantai dan menikmati alam.
That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea.
Itu terdengar seperti ide yang bagus.
Yes, I really need a short break. Yes, I really need a short break.
Ya, saya benar-benar butuh istirahat sejenak.
Are you planning to visit the beach? Are you planning to visit the beach?
Apakah kamu berencana mengunjungi pantai?
Yes, I love the sound of waves. Yes, I love the sound of waves.
Ya, saya suka suara ombak.
I hope the weather will be nice. I hope the weather will be nice.
Saya harap cuacanya akan bagus.
Me too, sunny days are the best. Me too, sunny days are the best.
Saya harap begitu, hari cerah adalah yang terbaik.
Enjoy your trip and have fun. Enjoy your trip and have fun.
Nikmati perjalanan kamu dan bersenang-senanglah.
Thanks, I will take many pictures. Thanks, I will take many pictures.
Terima kasih, saya akan mengambil banyak foto.
What are the requirements for this job? What are the requirements for this job?
Apa saja persyaratan untuk pekerjaan ini?
You need a degree in computer science. You need a degree in computer science.
Anda perlu memiliki gelar di bidang ilmu komputer.
Do I need any prior experience? Do I need any prior experience?
Apakah saya perlu memiliki pengalaman sebelumnya?
Yes, 2 years of relevant experience. Yes, 2 years of relevant experience.
Ya, 2 tahun pengalaman yang relevan.
Are there any other requirements? Are there any other requirements?
Apakah ada persyaratan lain?
You must be fluent in English and Mandarin. You must be fluent in English and Mandarin.
Anda harus fasih berbahasa Inggris dan Mandarin.
Is there an age requirement? Is there an age requirement?
Apakah ada persyaratan usia?
No, there is no age requirement. No, there is no age requirement.
Tidak, tidak ada persyaratan usia.
When is the deadline for application? When is the deadline for application?
Kapan batas waktu pendaftaran?
The deadline is next Friday. The deadline is next Friday.
Batas waktunya adalah Jumat depan.
Hi, I'm looking for souvenirs. Hi, I'm looking for souvenirs.
Hai, saya mencari oleh-oleh.
Hello, welcome, what do you need? Hello, welcome, what do you need?
Halo, selamat datang. Ada yang bisa saya bantu?
Something unique to this area? Something unique to this area?
Adakah sesuatu yang unik dari daerah ini?
We have local crafts and trinkets. We have local crafts and trinkets.
Kami memiliki kerajinan lokal dan cenderamata.
Great. Show me what you have. Great. Show me what you have.
Bagus, tunjukkan apa yang kamu punya.
Sure, here are some options. Sure, here are some options.
Tentu. Berikut beberapa pilihan.
How much is this small sculpture? How much is this small sculpture?
Berapa harga patung kecil ini?
That one is 200,000 rupiah. That one is 200,000 rupiah.
Yang itu harganya Rp200.000.
I'll take it. It's beautiful. I'll take it. It's beautiful.
Saya akan membelinya. Ini indah.
Excellent choice. Anything else? Excellent choice. Anything else?
Pilihan yang sangat bagus. Ada yang lain?
No, just this. Thank you. No, just this. Thank you.
Tidak, hanya ini. Terima kasih.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day. You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Sama-sama. Selamat menikmati hari Anda.
I am surprised to see you here. I am surprised to see you here.
Saya terkejut melihatmu di sini.
Me too, what a surprise. Me too, what a surprise.
Saya juga benar-benar kejutan.
I didn't expect to see you today. I didn't expect to see you today.
Saya tidak mengira akan bertemu denganmu hari ini.
Neither did I. This is unexpected. Neither did I. This is unexpected.
Saya juga tidak. Ini tidak terduga.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Apa yang kamu lakukan di sini?
I'm waiting for a friend. How about you? I'm waiting for a friend. How about you?
Saya sedang menunggu seorang teman. Bagaimana denganmu?
I'm meeting someone for coffee. I'm meeting someone for coffee.
Saya sedang bertemu seseorang untuk minum kopi.
Small world, isn't it? Small world, isn't it?
Dunia ini kecil, bukan?
It really is. This is crazy. It really is. This is crazy.
Memang begitu. Ini gila.
Let's chat for a bit. Let's chat for a bit.
Mari kita ngobrol sebentar.
How is your job going lately? How is your job going lately?
Bagaimana pekerjaanmu belakangan ini?
I wish I earned more money. I wish I earned more money.
Saya berharap saya bisa menghasilkan lebih banyak uang.
Have you thought about asking for a raise? Have you thought about asking for a raise?
Apakah kamu sudah memikirkan untuk meminta kenaikan gaji?
Yes, but I am too nervous to ask. Yes, but I am too nervous to ask.
Ya, tapi saya terlalu gugup untuk meminta.
Maybe you should prepare your case. Maybe you should prepare your case.
Mungkin kamu harus menyiapkan argumenmu.
What should I include in my case? What should I include in my case?
Apa yang harus saya sertakan dalam argumen saya?
Highlight your achievements and dedication. Highlight your achievements and dedication.
Soroti pencapaian dan dedikasimu.
That sounds like a good idea, thank you. That sounds like a good idea, thank you.
Itu terdengar seperti ide yang bagus, terima kasih.
You deserve to be paid fairly. You deserve to be paid fairly.
Kamu pantas mendapatkan bayaran yang adil.
I hope my boss thinks the same too. I hope my boss thinks the same too.
Saya harap bos saya juga berpikir sama.
Lydia, can you help me find the new library? Lydia, can you help me find the new library?
Lydia, bisakah kamu membantu saya menemukan perpustakaan baru?
Sure, John. It's on the north side of town. Sure, John. It's on the north side of town.
Tentu, John. Perpustakaan berada di sisi utara kota.
Is it near the park? Is it near the park?
Apakah itu dekat taman?
Yes, it's just east of the park. Yes, it's just east of the park.
Ya, itu tepat di sebelah timur taman.
Great. What's the best way to get there from the train station? Great. What's the best way to get there from the train station?
Bagus. Apa cara terbaik untuk ke sana dari stasiun kereta?
From the train station, head north for 2 blocks. From the train station, head north for 2 blocks.
Dari stasiun kereta berjalanlah ke utara sejauh 2 blok.
And then? And then?
Dan selanjutnya,
Then, turn east and walk straight for 3 blocks. Then, turn east and walk straight for 3 blocks.
Lalu belok ke timur dan berjalan lurus selama 3 blok.
Is there a landmark I should look for? Is there a landmark I should look for?
apakah ada tanda bangunan yang harus saya cari?
Yes, you'll see a big clock tower to the west of the library. Yes, you'll see a big clock tower to the west of the library.
Ya, kamu akan melihat menara jam besar di sebelah barat perpustakaan.
Thanks, Lydia. How far is it from the main square? Thanks, Lydia. How far is it from the main square?
Terima kasih Lydia. Seberapa jauh dari alun-alun utama?
It's about 10 minutes walk northeast from the main square. It's about 10 minutes walk northeast from the main square.
Perpustakaan ini berjarak sekitar 10 menit berjalan kaki ke timur laut dari alun-alun.
That's not too far. Is there a bus that goes there? That's not too far. Is there a bus that goes there?
Itu tidak terlalu jauh. Apakah ada bus yang pergi ke sana?
Yes, you can take bus number 5, which goes north from the square. Yes, you can take bus number 5, which goes north from the square.
Ya, kamu bisa naik bus nomor 5, yang menuju ke utara dari alun-alun.
Does the bus stop directly at the library? Does the bus stop directly at the library?
Apakah bus berhenti tepat di perpustakaan?
It stops a block east of the library. You'll just need to walk a bit west from the bus stop. It stops a block east of the library. You'll just need to walk a bit west from the bus stop.
Bus itu berhenti 1 blok di sebelah timur perpustakaan. Kamu hanya perlu berjalan sedikit ke barat dari halte bus.
I see. What other buildings are near the library? I see. What other buildings are near the library?
Oh begitu. Gedung apa saja yang ada di dekat perpustakaan?
There's a museum to the northwest and a coffee shop directly south. There's a museum to the northwest and a coffee shop directly south.
Ada museum di sebelah barat laut dan kedai kopi tepat di sebelah selatan.
Perfect. I'll grab a coffee after visiting the library. Thanks for your help, Lydia. Perfect. I'll grab a coffee after visiting the library. Thanks for your help, Lydia.
Sempurna, saya akan mengambil kopi setelah mengunjungi perpustakaan. Terima kasih atas bantuanmu, Lydia.
No problem, John. Enjoy your visit. No problem, John. Enjoy your visit.
Tidak masalah, John. Nikmati kunjunganmu.
Why did you move here? Why did you move here?
Mengapa kamu pindah ke sini?
I moved here for a new job opportunity. I moved here for a new job opportunity.
Saya pindah ke sini untuk peluang kerja baru.
What is your new job? What is your new job?
Apa pekerjaan barumu?
I work as a marketing assistant. I work as a marketing assistant.
Saya bekerja sebagai asisten pemasaran.
Do you like your job so far? Do you like your job so far?
Apakah kamu suka pekerjaanmu sejauh ini?
Yes, I enjoy the work in team. Yes, I enjoy the work in team.
Iya, saya menikmati pekerjaan dan timnya.
How do you like the city? How do you like the city?
Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang kota ini?
I like it. There are many activities. I like it. There are many activities.
Saya suka. Ada banyak aktivitas di sini.
Have you made new friends? Have you made new friends?
Apakah kamu sudah punya teman baru?
Yes, I met some friendly colleagues. Yes, I met some friendly colleagues.
Ya, saya bertemu beberapa rekan kerja yang ramah.
Are you cooking something? It smells delicious. Are you cooking something? It smells delicious.
Apakah kamu sedang memasak sesuatu? Bau masakannya enak sekali.
Yes, I'm making a fresh apple pie. Yes, I'm making a fresh apple pie.
Ya, saya sedang membuat pie apel segar.
Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything?
Bisakah saya membantu dengan sesuatu?
No, just enjoy the aroma for now. No, just enjoy the aroma for now.
Tidak, nikmati aromanya saja dulu.
When will it be ready? When will it be ready?
Kapan ini akan siap?
It will be ready in about an hour. It will be ready in about an hour.
Ini akan siap dalam sekitar 1 jam.
I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to taste it.
Saya tidak sabar untuk mencobanya.
I'm excited for you to try it too. I'm excited for you to try it too.
Saya juga senang kamu akan mencobanya.
Do you have time to talk now? Do you have time to talk now?
Apakah kamu ada waktu untuk berbicara sekarang?
Please call me later. Please call me later.
Tolong telepon saya nanti.
When is a good time for you? When is a good time for you?
Kapan waktu yang baik untukmu?
How about in the evening? How about in the evening?
Bagaimana dengan malam hari?
Sure, I can call around 7. Sure, I can call around 7.
Tentu, saya bisa menelepon sekitar pukul 7.
That works perfectly for me, thanks. That works perfectly for me, thanks.
Itu cocok sekali untuk saya, terima kasih.
Okay, I'll make sure to call then. Okay, I'll make sure to call then.
Oke, saya akan pastikan untuk menelepon saat itu.
Is there something important to discuss? Is there something important to discuss?
Apakah ada sesuatu yang penting untuk dibahas?
Yes, I need to talk about our project. Yes, I need to talk about our project.
Ya, saya perlu berbicara tentang proyek kita.
Great, I appreciate it, talk to you soon. Great, I appreciate it, talk to you soon.
Bagus, saya menghargainya, sampai jumpa segera.
Have you tried cooking anything new lately? Have you tried cooking anything new lately?
Apakah kamu mencoba memasak sesuatu yang baru belakangan ini?
I recently learned how to cook a new dish from a different cuisine. I recently learned how to cook a new dish from a different cuisine.
Saya baru saja belajar memasak hidangan baru dari masakan yang berbeda.
What dish did you learn to cook? What dish did you learn to cook?
Hidangan apa yang kamu pelajari untuk dimasak?
I learned to make Thai green curry. I learned to make Thai green curry.
Saya belajar membuat kari hijau Thailand.
Was it difficult to prepare? Was it difficult to prepare?
Apakah itu sulit untuk disiapkan?
It was a bit challenging, but fun. It was a bit challenging, but fun.
Itu agak menantang, tetapi menyenangkan.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Apakah kamu menikmati memasak?
Yes, I find it relaxing and rewarding. Yes, I find it relaxing and rewarding.
Ya, saya merasa itu menenangkan dan memuaskan.
Will you cook it again soon? Will you cook it again soon?
Apakah kamu akan memasaknya lagi dalam waktu dekat?
Yes, I want to invite friends over to try it. Yes, I want to invite friends over to try it.
Ya, saya ingin mengundang teman-teman untuk mencobanya.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
Apa yang kamu suka lakukan di waktu luangmu?
I enjoy reading and watching movies. I enjoy reading and watching movies.
Saya suka membaca dan menonton film.
I love to cook and try new recipes. I love to cook and try new recipes.
Saya suka memasak dan mencoba resep baru.
That sounds fun. I'm terrible at cooking. That sounds fun. I'm terrible at cooking.
Itu terdengar menyenangkan. Saya buruk dalam memasak.
Have you ever tried painting or drawing? Have you ever tried painting or drawing?
Pernahkah kamu mencoba melukis atau menggambar?
I've tried, but I'm not very good. I've tried, but I'm not very good.
Saya sudah mencoba, tetapi saya tidak terlalu mahir.
Maybe we could take an art class together. Maybe we could take an art class together.
Mungkin kita bisa mengikuti kelas seni bersama.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Itu ide yang bagus.
What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to?
Jenis musik apa yang kamu suka dengarkan?
I like a variety of genres. I like a variety of genres.
Saya suka berbagai genre musik.
Do you want to go out for dinner? Do you want to go out for dinner?
Apakah kamu ingin keluar untuk makan malam?
I don't feel like eating out this evening. I don't feel like eating out this evening.
Saya tidak merasa ingin makan di luar malam ini.
What do you prefer instead? What do you prefer instead?
Apa yang kamu lebih suka?
Maybe we could have a nice meal at home. Maybe we could have a nice meal at home.
Mungkin kita bisa makan malam yang enak di rumah.
Do you have any ideas for dinner? Do you have any ideas for dinner?
Apakah kamu punya ide untuk makan malam?
How about cooking something simple together? How about cooking something simple together?
Bagaimana kalau kita memasak sesuatu yang sederhana bersama?
That sounds like a good plan. That sounds like a good plan.
Itu terdengar seperti rencana yang bagus.
Yes, we can make a nice pasta dish. Yes, we can make a nice pasta dish.
Ya, kita bisa membuat hidangan pasta yang enak.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it.
Saya menantikannya.
Me too, it will be a cozy evening. Me too, it will be a cozy evening.
Saya juga, ini akan menjadi malam yang nyaman.